An Albert card can be declined, even when your account appears active, and the reason is often something you can verify yourself in just a few minutes. By the end of this, you'll know the most common causes of declined Albert card transactions, how to check each one, and when it's time to contact support. Start by checking your available balance inside the Albert app. A pending transaction or recent purchase may have reduced the amount available to spend, even if your account looked funded earlier. Next, review the transaction notification. Many declined payments include a short explanation that points you toward the problem, such as an authorization issue or a merchant-related decline. If you're making an online purchase, double-check the card number, expiration date, and security code. One incorrect digit is enough to cause the payment to fail. For in-store purchases, try inserting the card if tapping it doesn't work. If the payment terminal still declines the card, ask a cashier to try the transaction again before switching to another payment method. Some merchants also place temporary authorization requests before completing the final charge. If your available balance isn't high enough to cover that temporary authorization, the payment may be declined. Open the Albert app and confirm that your card is active. If you've recently replaced your card or reported it lost, the previous card may no longer be valid. Also, check whether you've enabled any card controls or security settings that could block certain transaction types. If you're traveling or making a purchase that's different from your normal spending pattern, review any security notifications inside the app. Occasionally, unusual activity can trigger additional verification before a transaction is approved. If you've attempted the same payment several times, wait a few minutes before trying again. Repeated authorization attempts can sometimes create temporary issues with the merchant or payment network. When the problem affects multiple merchants instead of just one, sign out of the Albert app, sign back in, and check for any app updates available on your device. Keeping the app updated helps ensure you're using the latest features and account information. If the card continues to be declined after completing these checks, contact Albert support through the app. Include the date, approximate time, merchant name, and any error message you received. Providing complete details helps support investigate the transaction more efficiently. To sum it up, verify your available balance, review the decline notification, confirm your card is active, and contact support if the issue continues across multiple purchases. Next, open the Albert app now and review your recent transaction history before attempting another payment. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Albert app tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and financial app tips.